Ready? We've evaluated the risk versus reward. We're only at level 2. Oh my God, what an adventure. Find ourselves in one of my favorite stores in Thailand, 7-Eleven. We're gonna grab a snack before we start our adventure, get fueled up for the hike. I just don't know what I want.
Got a couple 7-Eleven water.
Get 2 bananas. 29 baht. Grilled ham and cheese. And we toasted. Sawadee-ka. Yeah. Yep. You're surrounded by butterflies. You're gonna get one stuck in your helmet. So today we have come to check out Palayu Waterfall. It's 300 a person to get in, 300 baht per person, and 20 baht to park the motorbike. So right away you can hear the water in the background. Oh, it's pretty.
A little grocery shop.
Yeah, there's a little store, a restaurant where you can get drinks and snacks. Cute seating area. We were driving in, these bamboo trees are just towering and huge. And I think it rained just before we got here. So cross our fingers we don't get stuck in the rain. We got some fish food. Yeah.
10 baht.
Nice. Alrighty.
Because I read before we came that you should get fish food.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh.
Must be a good pool up here somewhere to feed them.
Yeah. There's multi-layers to this waterfall, and I think you can only hike to a few. I've read different things, 11 tiers, 13 tiers, I'm not really sure.
I thought it said 13, but you can only
climb.
go like the bottom 3 or something, but that first sign says it's like 750 meters to level 5.
The 5th one, yeah.
So
and then I read, when you were buying tickets, I read that you can climb to 7. So.
Okay. Well, we're going to level 1.
So yes, this isn't a national park. I just read the sign here. Kaing Kacha. Is that how you say that? Kaing Kacha National Park.
Kaing Krachan?
Kaing
Krachan?
Kraken. I don't think they pronounce the I don't think they pronounce the H.
Kaing Kraken? All right.
It's so slippery.
There's butterflies everywhere still.
There is. It's beautiful. We've been doing a lot of in the city of Hua Hin, so it's nice to kind of get out. Aww.
Look at all the fish.
Oh, that's a lot of fish. Ooh, I'm not sure I'd swim in there. Look at all those fish down there. Look at all the fish in here. This is crazy. Ooh, that's too slippery. I'm gonna get wet shoes. Oh. There's no way I would swim in there. The water is so clear, but ooh, too many fish for me. Okay, I'm gonna throw in some food. Okay, here we go, craziness. Ah, there's so many! We did bring our rain capes, but we'll wait a minute, see if it lessens a little. Whew, these trees are huge. Always an adventure. Well, while we're waiting for the rain to stop, we might as well catch you up to where we are in the world. So when you guys are watching this, we will have already traveled to Vietnam, and we have so many exciting adventures planned to Vietnam. I cannot wait. Cannot wait. So after this video, there'll probably be maybe 1 or 2 more Thailand videos, and then off to Vietnam. So now is the time to subscribe so you don't miss out on the upcoming series in Vietnam. Can't wait. How do I look? As we were sitting over there in the shelter, we contemplated just not doing a vlog today because the weather is crap, but this is reality. This is what it actually looks like. So we're gonna take you guys along, rain or shine. My shoes were not made for slippery rocks. That is for sure. I knew there would be some sheltered areas once we got across the bridge.
A little swampy.
Dodge the vines. Today was supposed to be a waterfall and wine day. So, well, waterfall check. So for those that have been following from the beginning, you know that we used to live in Niagara Falls, one of the 7 wonders of the world. So when we go and see waterfalls, it's not the same. But I love all kinds of waterfalls. Small, big. Oh, this is quite the viewpoint, as I almost fall. One way to get through, I guess. Ooh. That was dirty. I did it. Wow. This is a slippery rock. Great. Wow. You're okay? You didn't go rushing down the water.
That's what I was expecting. I'm like, I'm going in.
There's 3 flip-flops in the water down there. Good job, babe. You made it. You're alive.
Happy and alive.
Oh my God.
Now I just gotta make it back up on the mossiness.
You look like a little kid going down a slide like, whee!
I was just praying my feet hit something.
Oh my God. And I thought I had slippery shoes. Still there? Oh, look at the butterfly. We are definitely gonna need wine after this. We're only at level 2. Oh my God, what an adventure.
Just for the record, This is after I slipped and fell down the rocks. We're only at the second level. How far does this go? Like,
To level 5, and we're only in level
we're like
2.
level 2 according to that, but where does it go?
I don't know. So we're trying to decide if we want to go any further. The rocks are very slippery, clearly.
Well, intermittently.
Yeah.
One won't be, the next one will be. And we got to go, look at all the butterflies on that rock right there. I know, and it looks like we have to go that way along them, right?
Yeah.
Like I don't see, the climb doesn't go up the hill anywhere.
Is it time for wine yet? We've evaluated the risk versus reward, and we're heading back.
It says the third level is 50 meters, so we were basically third level.
I'm gonna say we went to the third level.
Totally.
Yeah, follow the rope. Starts moving and I'm gonna freak out. Hello, Bobby.
He's mad. Look at him. I'm gonna get you.
Level 3 and decided, yeah, we just weren't prepared to actually do that crazy of a hike. From the beginning to 2 isn't too bad, but once you get past 2, you're full on rocks, you got rope to climb over, and it's wet and it's slippery. So let's go have some wine. We made it. Time for some wine.
It's either a tour band.
That's cool. You can do a vineyard tour by Safari Terrain. This is nice, eh? We made it, guys, we made it. We're starving, grabbing some wine and a bite to eat after the crazy day we had.
It's a long day. A lot of driving and the weather is really not cooperating.
No, it's been raining on and off.
Pretty amazing, it's a pretty amazing view.
Yes, a very amazing view. You sit up high in the restaurant, so overlooking all of the grapevines and just the grounds are beautiful. Open cat. How awesome is this? Whoa. Cheers.
A very Canadian craft cider moose.
This is so good. Late harvest. If you know me, I like my sweet, sweet wines. So yummy. I miss this. I miss this. This is a double burger. I did not realize it was a double burger. It's exactly what we need after today.
No kidding. For all that hiking and near-death experiences.
Very good. It's so big. I ordered it well done. And it's well done.
Chunks of fish are huge. They serve a local sea bass that is breaded in some type of, he said it's, this is the moose cider, and they said it's like a moose cider batter.
Oh, interesting.
So, good pairing. It's a big chunk, and there's 3 of those.
Wow. Was so good. We are hitting the road for home. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on Vietnam. Thanks for watching, guys. Such a beautiful winery.
It's nice. It's nice ground. Look at the flowers here.
Wow.
And there's big orange flowers on the tree.
Nothing like hanging out at 7-Eleven, sitting on the stoop.